So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy a Ford Motor Company stock, ticker symbol F on Moomoo. So once you open up Moomoo, what I want you to do is to go to the top right here and press on the search icon. In the search bar, type in Ford or ticker symbol F. Don't be mistaken though, it's not ticker symbol Ford. It's right below ticker symbol F, Ford Motor. Press on that. Once you're on here, go to the bottom left and press on the orange trade and then press on the green buy. Once you're here, you can adjust the session which you're buying the stock in. You can also change the order from limit to market. Once that is done, you can also go ahead and type in the quantity or the amount of stock you're wanting to purchase. So for example, if you wanted to purchase 5 shares, it would cost you roughly $50.15 USD at this moment in time. And if you want to proceed, then go ahead and press on the green buy button. So very straightforward, very simple. This is how to buy Ford Motor Company stock, ticker symbol F on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.